Hi everybody, Adam with BRUCO here. I just wanted to take a moment today to highlight another one of our reconditioned pieces of equipment. Today we have a Taski XP, a stand-on auto scrubber. This auto scrubber is a 32-inch working path and a 28-gallon solution tank. Solution tank is unique in that it utilizes a bladder system. So we have a bladder inside the tank that holds our clean solution. And then in the same space on the machine, our recovery solution is held on the outside of the bladder. Very efficient way to have a large amount of water so we can go for a long time before dumping and refilling. And it also keeps the balance on the machine the same, the balance on the pads the same, so we get consistent outcomes. Also a nice feature is the dump hose on this machine is in the front, so as we pull into a custodial closet, we can dump the machine and then fill it right from the same spot. The scrub deck on this machine works a little different than most. The first thing is it's very easy to take the brushes or pads on and off. You can see that slides right out. And this machine does come with the brushes as well as pad drivers, but instead of a disc machine that turns a pad around, or a cylindrical machine that rotates a brush, or even the orbital machines that are out there now, this machine kind of combines all of that. So it's moving side to side, up and down, backward, forward in an oscillating fashion. And that allows us to get great agitation on the floor, and it also prevents or mitigates the ability to create abrasion or to scratch the floor. So unique and very simple system, and as you can see, it's very easy to take the pads or brushes on and off the machine. I just want to move the machine around a little bit so you can see the back side of it. And another nice feature on it is how the squeegee system goes on and off the machine. And so you can see the squeegee down here. All I have to do is squeeze those two pins. The squeegee falls right off the machine, and it makes it a lot easier to get it off so that we can clean it out and make sure it's working properly and we get the outcomes that we want. And then to put the squeegee back on, we simply align it with the tabs on the bottom, step on this upper tab, and now the squeegee is back on the machine. All we have to do is put the hoses back on. And it has a hose on each side so we get better recovery off of the floor. So Taski XP, this machine would normally sell brand new for about $16,000. This particular is about 875 hours on it. So we would generally expect to get about 2,000 to 2,500 hours out of a machine like this, so it has a lot of life left in it. And we're asking $49.50 for this machine. So if you have an interest in that or have more questions, please reach out to your BRUCO business advisor or call us here at BRUCO at 800-652-1020. And I hope this was helpful for you, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.